My water can, baby. My extreme action can.
Alright, you guys are both great swimmers, right?
Yeah.
You notice if you're head, neck, back, shoulders, there's no hard problem. No?
All cool.
Alright, the deep water is about 18.5 feet. Alright? So you guys are going to get closer on 4 arms to your side.
Okay, I can do that.
Go this way, go to the left.
Alright?
That's where we're going to go.
Jump
Do it.
straight out. Don't.
Woo! Wow.
You get me ready?
You slightly first, I'll get the footage. Oh my god. Holy guacamole. Can I go or? Oh my gosh. 1, 2. Geronimo! Oh, that was awesome, dude! Totally awesome!